Force. It's your boy Gavin coming at you live with another pack opening. So we got 2 of these Dark Saviors packs. Are you excited, Gavin? You excited, bud?
Yeah, we got some
star packs.
sticky brain pack.
Yeah.
Blood. Fucking blood.
Oh my god.
Fucking blood.
Oh.
Sitting in my goddamn car for days.
So Gavin, how many engages and how many impermanences are you gonna open tonight? You gonna pull a Nolty? Oh yeah. Get those OTS packs out the way. Let's just do those.
Okay. Let's get into it.
Alright boys, remember to like and subscribe and get your game on. Or do you say at the end of the videos?
Fucking Jesus Christ.
Why do you leave these in your car?
I don't know. What am I going? Yeah.
So Gavin here just got first place with all these free packs. Alright. Ouch. Alright, that's alright, buddy. The dream has not been ripped yet. There's still one more. This is gonna be such a long video, you realize?
Yeah.
Like a half hour.
How do you think I feel? It was gonna be 100.
Woo!
It was supposed to be 100 packs, but your boy gets into it.
Dude, you just have to split these up. You upload like these 50 packs or whatever right now, and then you upload 50 packs later.
Everything together.
That's right. That's what my man Kyle knows how to edit. Look at him editing those cards.
People don't want my editing expertise.
All right, you know what? Let's hit him with the fresh box of that. Let's open one now, one later.
Or we can just do everything at once.
Dude, yeah, one at the beginning of this video, one at the end. These people have to watch the whole thing because they want to see it, Gavin. They have to do it now. Jeez Louise. Yeah, these things.
God damn.
Yeah, okay. That's right.
I don't know why I wasn't using this tripod stand.
There's a tripod.
I know. Dude, I just thought it'd be fun having the motion digital moving camera.
Digital moving camera.
I don't even know what I'm
Nothing
saying.
from Extreme. Back at it again.
Back at it again with another Dark Saviors box. Another one.
Another one.
Alright.
Vampire. For hire. Vampire.
Ray, that's a good card. Ooh, this guy's good too. Dude, that's one of the better furries. I'm gonna put that aside for you.
Evan, I want to tell your vampire stuff.
Do you now?
Yes.
And Bryce wants your furry, so.
Back at it again with another video.
Hashtag Bryce is a furry.
Bryce is a furry.
Ooh, Kagari, that's a really nice one. I need that for a cherry star.
Hey.
Ooh, drone, that's a good one. That thing's really
Vampire.
mad. Dude, I'm
Vampire.
gonna put your good cards aside.
Yeah.
Oh jeez. All right, buddy. What else you got going on?
Vampire. Vampire.
Ooh, the koala.
Furry bandit. Vampire.
Ooh, shark cannon. That's pretty good. What up, Cole? How you doing?
Was
We'll open some packs right now.
Vampire. Vampire.
Jeez. The vampire box.
Vampire. Oh, furry.
No, I don't know what that is. I'm gonna put that in the furry pile because Bryce
It is
wants
the
all
furry
furries. Oh, is it? I put a secret furry pile.
Mirror Force.
Good furries, bad furries, I
Orange.
guess. Ooh, Ray.
Sky. Quick.
Ooh, that's actually pretty
It's
not
like
bad.
one per box.
Yeah, jamming weight is good. I mean, it's a one of two, but.
Spell.
Ooh, full spell good. Yo, I need that
Field
card.
spell. Mirror Force.
For hire.
For hire. Love the training. The training up for hire.
Alright.
Get go.
Ooh, that's a really good card.
For
For hire, or not for hire. What the heck? That's the one they don't play. That quick spell.
vampires. Dark Rapper.
Another vampire.
Another one.
That sucks.
Back at it again.
Back at it again. Why you say that every 5 seconds? Ooh, jeez, man, this is the box Bryce wanted. With all the furries in it.
Such a furry.
Ooh, Armageddon Knight, that's nice. Yo, you have 20% battery. You need to hurry it up then. Why does that get the secret rare? That's really random.
I don't want to set it up.
Already came super in the
Yeah,
OTS
exactly.
7.
Another one? Are you kidding?
Broken.
So they have their spells and traps are really good. If we pull some of the good ones, we'll show
Ooh,
you.
another Kagari.
Oh, Kagari's. What do you? Yeah. Ooh. All right, keep going. Yeah, because Gavin, you got to speed run this now. 20% battery. Ooh, that's a good card.
Ooh.
Oh! Nice.
Which one is that
Yeah, heck yeah.
Afterburner.
It's on his YouTube. I don't.
Yeah, if maybe I can just
Woo,
record it
woo,
on
woo, woo.
Oh yeah, that's true.
And-
Another jammy. Oh.
It's usually 2 per box, or 1 per box. 1 per box.
Oh, nice. I have an iPhone 10, so I think that's good battery. Is that the? Oh, you have a 10 too. Oh, we're
Hey.
twins. Nice. 10 20s. 10 20s. That sounds like twin sisters. I don't even know. Ooh, twin table. Ooh, a lore. That's really good.
Next again.
Dude, you're getting a lot of these good generic cards.
Vampire, vampire,
Jesus.
vampire, vampire.
Holy
vampire.
crap! That whole pack was all vampires.
Kyle, it's talking to you. Vampire, vampire.
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 Another vampire. Jesus. Wow.
You have enough to build all the vampire decks.
Vampire.
Not vampire.
Speed it up.
Jeez,
That's how much
man.
vampire.
How much you got left? 4 packs? 5 packs? Can you finish this before your phone dies? That's the real question. Oh, the field spell, that's not horrible. Ooh, nice. The got the Spellbook of Judgment, nothing good.
Spellbook of Judgment. Oh yeah.
That's basically what it does.
Set everything.
Ooh, oh, that's one of the more expensive furries. I found out the hard way.
It's like 1 per box.
Woo!
Cannon.
Oh, that's shark. I thought that was
Got
Widow.
another ray. Got my playset.
Gosh dang, this is a bad boss. Don't worry, the engage is in one of these two. I can feel it.
I got that one.
That trap's really good though. Jeez.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's an L right there, buddy. All right, YouTube, that's it for now because I guess we only have 20% battery.
Going on the flood.
Are you serious, Gavin? I don't think you can do it.
Heart of the deck. Or heart of the packs.
I guess you need to open the flood in case you pull impermanence and Kyle wants to use it.
I'm using it. I have 3.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, Bryce lent me his.
All 3?
Link bound.
He's judging today.
Oh wow, lucky you. I should have borrowed his 3. I thought he was playing this today.
Oh, you have my. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, no, Gavin has packs on packs on packs. He has another box of Dark Saviors.
Nothing.
Packs on packs. Redoti.
Yeah, he's got quite a few.
Why are these?
They've been sitting in my car for days. Hey,
You just touched that. Isn't that nasty?
it's disgusting.
Yeah, the packs are sticky. You
Because
found
they're
out the hard
starting to
way.
melt.
That's so bad.
No, I don't want it. Oh, I got another one. Got another waking.
Another one.
Oh, you got so much blood. Holy crap, man.
I told you. This is supposed to be.
Little
Oh,
Phoenix.
this is supposed to be 100 packs.
Oh, Gavin, your phone died. No, I'm kidding, it didn't.
Look, guys, he's like,
The look on his face. He was like, I'm already in the middle of opening one.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, where's your commons at, actually?
Third.
Your common flood, is that here?
It's somewhere.
Because I need this card. I need
Another one.
this card.
10 mains.
I will take all of your vampires. No, I already called dibs on them.
He did call dibs on them.
Like all of them, or just whatever you need left?
10 mains again.
Oh, I call dibs on whatever you don't need then. Check your phone.
Did you just randomly pull an Ultron you didn't even notice?
No, I did. I just didn't care.
Oh. Woo! Trickstar, Bella, Madonna.
Yeah.
Alright, Gavarino. Are you gonna get the impermanence yet? Oh, another one of those. Dude, you might as well start building element savers then. He pulled 2 of those.
Did you open any afterburner?
Yeah, he pulled afterburner. And he has jamming as well.
I have 2 jammings.
He has 2 jamming, 1 afterburner. No, no engages.
2 boxes, no engage.
1 box,
I
no
have
engage.
1 box.
Yeah, he only did 1, Bryce. But we have, Bryce, we have furries on furries, so don't worry. Ooh, jeez. I think this box is
Element
actually
saver.
telling you something. You need to build element savers.
Fuck element savers. That's my place at a link bound. I don't want him. It's just a big pile of mess now.
This is so, I don't even know. And then we're like 10 minutes into this. What did you just do? Wow. That's an L. At least you pulled the element savers. Gavin, can I have these commons?
You do what now?
I like these commons. Any of these commons.
Oh yeah.
They're like 10 cents. I'm gonna take them, and if you really want something for him, we'll figure something out later.
Bad.
Oh, what did you pull? Ultrageist Prim Banshee. Alright, what we got here? What we got coming up? I don't even think you're in view of the camera anymore.
All bad. All
Jack
bad.
Wyvern? That's the strongest
bad.
card in existence. Alright, one more box of Dasa. Can you pull it off before the tourney starts?
Hold on. Before you open that, how is this turn today or record online?
No.
Oh, he's doing one take.
He's going for
He's
it.
doing one take. He can do it.
He's not a coward.
But I have to upload this as quickly as possible. Plus, I gotta edit.
I don't know why you didn't charge your phone. 'Cause you were so
Well, I was
inconsistent
going
where you
to. I
wanted
was gonna do it
stuff.
tomorrow.
Oh, Bryce, another for hire.
But you guys decided to be assholes and tell me I have to do it tonight.
Dude, you need to do it tonight. Oh, hey, we have two of these too.
I have 224.
Oh, all right. Sorry, buddy.
Table.
All I need is for
Hey, play set
Another
jamming.
jamming. Jeez, you only play one or two of those.
all I need is for my colleagues to get
Oh my goodness, Bryce. Dude, when you build this furry deck, you'll be the ultimate meme. Gavin has so many of them, dude.
I'm on off. He's not playing that.
Gavin, you're not even holding those towards the camera, jeez. Just do like flat like that instead of like you keep beating them up yourself.
Hey!
I think it probably hurt.
Alright, I'll sleep this up for you. I'll sleep it up for you. How much is engaged?
120 the last time I checked.
What is he doing?
Hey, mobilize. Let's go.
The movie's officially happening.
Oh, I wish I cared about Star
Empire.
Wars.
What movie?
Boba Fett.
Boba Fett.
You got another half box.
That's why I tagged you. I was like,
Yay! Praise. So much praise.
Alright, Gavin, I'm gonna shop this engage around for you.
No.
I thought he said he was beefing it.
Hey,
For a second, I thought that was the second engagement.
Right.
I've got
You have 4 jamming waves.
four jamming waves.
Unboxing of just like random just.
Yeah, no, that's how you know it's a good unboxing, when there's cards everywhere. There's too many cards to count.
Tony pack.
You should have.
Hey,
Another.
play set.
You should have brought your paper bag or whatever you used to put your cards in.
I don't use that. What are you talking
Oh, I
about?
need that Kagara. Or what Kagari.
Like it's all vampire stuff, which I'm pretty sure
I have like
is not
4
a
Kagaras.
lot from this set, but
Oh, you're not getting it.
mostly I want it because I think the art
No.
is really cool.
Yeti wants to trade you for this engage. You
Yeti wants everything, but Yeti's not getting it.
Like literally the only reason I want the vampire stuff is
Shark.
because I think the art is really
I don't want shark.
You really
Shark's
haven't gotten a
bad.
single widow?
No, I have not.
Money out of my savings.
But I've gotten.
If I need to.
Oh, you want the
Bryce,
engage from him? Oh, Gavin, Bryce says he'll buy this for you.
yeah?
From you.
What do you think?
Bryce, make an offer. Right here, on stream.
No.
on stream.
I gotta sign up. I gotta put names in the list.
Excuse us.
Hold it on for your boy Bryce right now.
Yeah, Bryce.
I've got.
You hear that, Gavin?
Over a play set of this.
Save this engage for Bryce. He says he pulled money out of his savings account just for you.
Hey, more raise.
What? Oh, is that all of them? Oh! Gavin, what do you think? Oh, one more?
I don't know. I gotta look through the pile. There's so many cards. Jesus. More.
What if you like the one pack that was straight was your engage? I think that's it. Alright, Gavin. Gavin, tell me, what are your thoughts on this opening?
It was fast. It was quick.
It was furious.
Just like a night with me.
Just like, alright, boom. You heard that, YouTube?
Remember to get your game on. And like and subscribe to the channel and get your game on YouTube. Peace.
Yeah.